Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to add description to a picture in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Publisher document. Now we want to add description to a picture. Firstly, insert a picture. Click the pictures option. Then choose picture from our file. Now we can see we insert a picture. Now we want to add description to this picture. Go to the insert menu, then click the draw text box option and draw a text box. Then you can add this description to this text box very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.